Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to make Google Docs read aloud to you. Perfect for proofreading, multitasking, and accessibility in 2025. Start by opening your Google Docs document. If you're on Chrome, go to the right corner and click three dots to open settings. Scroll down and click accessibility. Enable screen recorder, reader support. This lets Google Docs work with text-to-speech tools. Now, if you're using Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Z to turn on the built-in Chrome Vox screen reader. On the Mac, you can use Command plus F5 to activate VoiceOver. Once active, highlight the text you want to hear, and the screen reader will start reading it aloud. If you prefer using extensions, you can add a text-to-speech tool like Read Aloud from the Chrome Web Store for smoother playback. And that's how you make Google Docs read aloud to you. Quick, clear, and super handy for your 2025 workflow.